Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is speaking out. Says that there is some stuff going on social media which he didn't expect. He's been observant for the past, month or so, or for the time being. Over time, he has seen, different dislikes and stuff that were dashed at him, and so he's out speaking about it. So go ahead and catch this video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave your comments. We love your comments. Thank you.
To tear me down. Continue to tear me down. You are being very effective. Continue. It all makes sense to me now. It all makes sense to me now why things have been going the way they're going lately. And that's okay. That is okay. If you don't like me, listen, honestly, I don't care no more. I don't care no more. I don't care anymore. I really don't. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think it would get to this level on social media. Never. I'm so sorry the day I went to mix up myself with some people. I'm so sorry the day I went and mixed up myself with some of you on social media. Maybe if I didn't, I wouldn't be in this predicament right now. Maybe if I didn't, I wouldn't be in the predicament I'm in right now. What do you want me to compare ball and is not getting it? So what if I like drama? So what? Yes, we all like drama, including you. Including you. You love drama too. So don't come put it on me don't come put it on me like to say I'm the only one who loves drama. We all do. All of you love drama. All of you. That's why anyway the drama there, I'm gonna go find the right drama. Anyway the drama is, all of you, including myself, go and find it too. Let's be friggin' clear upon that blouse and skirt. And you know what? Keep in the WhatsApp group and go and talk about me. And if you guys talk about me, it's not gonna jerk me. It is not gonna jerk me. I swear to God, all if 10 people is watching me, even if 10 people is watching, the greatest thing is I am not on here running down a ratted cuff money. I mean, I run on the money like I'm not found. I run down money, right? I am good. I am good. Why don't want to come on WhatsApp group on me? Why am I gonna want to come eat pan me so much? Every other day is something. Every other day. Even when I say, oh, I'm trying to do different things on here. Mr. The Wallon come. Mr. The Wallon, I see all of you. I see what's happening. I see exactly what is happening too. And oh, I'm stagnant. Which part of me is stagnant? On more stagnant than me. Because on don't want change. No, Tasha, no. With the things they're saying about me in the group, I'm here, Mr. Jesus Christ. Seriously? And how me I tell on myself, I may tell on my page. Listen, no, I'm not telling I'm not telling on my page. I tell on my page. That's why every other day on make up all these wicked things about me. And say, oh, listen, you know, sister, on is just the wicked people. On the wicked, you know. On the thing say, me no say I set me bank table say, me payment for cost our people. On the things me no realize, all them thing there. What am I doing so much? Apart from come talk my throat. Ever since I talk my throat, it's a big problem. At least I'm not on my page tearing down nobody, and I'm not talking negative about nobody. I talk, I'm the done talk. Every day on one come draw a card for me. Me disabled. Me You want to kill me off though. You want to kill me off. That's what you want though. You want to kill me off. Me see it now. You want to kill me off. Every day is something. That's not the point. That's not the point about studying people. Them are tear me down. That behind the scenes, them is all tearing me down. And I swear to God, it a come from the on see me I complain about the damn numbers. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Whether me get whether me get 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, whatever, me talk till me done. And yes, me realize ever since me come out and talk what I need to talk, nothing want come turn pa me. I don't think one that is exactly what's happening. Laugh all you want, come here talk something funny. Laugh all you want. So I'm soon as an angry face. When I set up an angry face, what the angry people them there? Where is the angry people them? What the angry people them there? Every day has something. And yes, me ignore the things them too. Yes, me ignore them. Me do my best to ignore them at times. Yes, set up on the anger face. Say the anger face that come now. Set up on the anger face. Me do my best to ignore them. But some of the things that I can't ignore. Listen. Enough people hide behind it. I was courageous enough to talk about it. And yes, to the fuck of them, I tear me down said way. Excuse my language. When I'm not cussing about something, every other day I'm cussing about something. Every day I'm cussing about something. I when me not look pound. Who not come back and cuss to me about man? Una naga me ball, una naga me ball. I swear to God, una naga me cry. And that you don't want. Una want me cry. And don't want me come send out apology. Me not send out an apology, come give no now, no. Be thankful I'm not coming out. Be thankful I'm not coming out and bashing people every day. Be thankful I'm not coming out and scandalizing people every day. Be thankful I'm not coming out and telling on people.